Hello, Brandon Leone here. I am here at Tribute Point, which is one of the newest communities by JMC in the master plan community of Rocklin Whitney Ranch. I can't wait to show you this. This is their one-story floor plan. This is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2,405 square feet. Not only that, we got 3.5 baths and a 3-car garage. Let's go check it out. Keep in mind, these homes have upgrades of nearly $150,000 to $200,000, but if you want to see the actual real virtual tour, check out SacramentoNewHomeGuide.com. And if you like a personal tour, reach out to us. We'd love to help.